Hello guys, welcome to the Action Channel. My name is Michelle and I am a senior at Oakham's High School. A fun fact about me is I like bubble tea. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make bubble tea at home. All we need is some tea, sugar, and fat milk. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we put sugar and tea into the pot and turn on a medium fire. Continue whisking it until it melts. Second, add some boiled water and wait for 1 minute. Third, add milk and blend it to boiled. Filter the leaves, and now we are done. You can add bubbles or cream. I hope you guys learned something new today. Thanks for watching.